Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of technology and sustainability. Ever stop to think about the power in your pocket? That little device you carry around every day is more powerful than you might realize. No, not your dance moves. I'm talking about your phone battery. It's a tiny powerhouse that keeps you connected to the world. These little guys power our world, from our smartphones to electric cars. Talk about electrifying. They're the unsung heroes of our daily lives. But here's the thing, batteries don't last forever. Over time, they wear out and lose their ability to hold a charge. And when they're done, they can't just hang out in landfills. Disposing of them improperly can lead to serious environmental issues. Why? Because they contain materials that can be harmful to the environment. Heavy metals and toxic chemicals can leach into the soil and water. That's where battery recycling swoops in to save the day. By recycling, we can prevent these harmful substances from causing damage. Recycling these powerhouses isn't just good for the planet, it's good for our future. It helps conserve natural resources and reduces pollution. We can recover valuable materials and use them to make new batteries. It's a win-win. This process helps create a sustainable cycle of use and reuse. So let's dive into the world of battery recycling and see how we can all do our part to keep the energy flowing sustainably. Together, we can make a big impact with these tiny powerhouses. Remember when recycling meant rinsing out your milk jugs and soda cans? Those were the days when recycling was simple and straightforward, focusing mainly on common household items. Well, hold on to your hats because recycling has gone high-tech. We're now in an era where technology is revolutionizing the way we think about waste and sustainability. We're talking about batteries, folks. Those tiny bundles of energy deserve a second life, and recycling makes it happen. From AA to lithium-ion, every type of battery can be recycled to recover valuable materials. How, you ask? Well, it starts with you. Your role is crucial in this process. By collecting and properly disposing of your old batteries, you set the wheels in motion. Most batteries can be dropped off at special collection points. These are conveniently located to make it easy for you to do your part. You know, those bins you see at the store or your local recycling center. They're there for a reason, and using them helps keep harmful materials out of landfills. Once collected, these batteries go on a wild ride to recycling facilities. It's a journey that transforms waste into valuable resources. There, they're sorted, disassembled, and their valuable materials are given a new lease on life. Metals like lithium, cobalt, and nickel are extracted and reused. Pretty neat, right? But hold on, we're just getting started. The future of recycling holds even more exciting possibilities, and it all begins with small steps like these. Okay, time for a little reality check. Remember those harmful materials we talked about? When batteries end up in landfills, they can release nasty stuff into the environment. We're talking heavy metals, toxic chemicals, the works. These pollutants can leach into the soil and water, causing all sorts of problems for plants, animals, and even us humans. Not cool. Battery waste, not cool. But don't despair. By recycling our batteries, we can keep these harmful materials out of landfills and protect our planet. Plus, it's way cooler to think of those old batteries powering something new instead of polluting our Earth. Here's a fun fact. Our landfills are like giant treasure chests. No, seriously, they contain tons of valuable materials, including those found in batteries. It's like a giant messy game of Where's Waldo? But instead of Waldo, we're looking for lithium, cobalt, and nickel. That's where urban mining comes in. It's like regular mining, but instead of digging into the earth, we're digging into, well, you get the idea. We're reclaiming those precious metals from used electronics and batteries. Think of it this way. Recycling batteries is like turning trash into treasure. It's good for the planet, good for the economy, and way more exciting than watching paint dry. Lithium, cobalt, nickel. Oh my! These three metals are the backbone of modern battery technology, the big three of battery recycling. They play a crucial role in powering our everyday devices, from smartphones to electric vehicles. Let's talk about the stars of the battery show, lithium, cobalt, and nickel. These metals are the key ingredients that make batteries efficient and long-lasting. These metals are essential for making batteries work their magic. Without them, the performance and reliability of batteries would be significantly compromised. But they're also finite resources, meaning we only have so much to go around. Mining these metals can be environmentally damaging and unsustainable in the long run. That's why recycling these big three is so important. By recycling, we can extend the life cycle of these precious materials. By recovering them from old batteries, we reduce the need to mine for new materials, which can be harmful to the environment. This process helps conserve natural resources and reduces the ecological footprint. Plus, it takes a lot less energy to recycle these metals than to extract them from the earth. Recycling is a more energy efficient and sustainable option. That means fewer greenhouse gases and a happier planet. Recycling helps in reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change. Talk about a triple win. Recycling lithium, cobalt, and nickel not only benefits the environment, but also supports the economy and ensures a steady supply of these critical materials for future use. Closing the loop battery recycling and the circular economy. All right, science fans, time for a quick lesson on the circular economy. Imagine a world where products are designed to be reused, repurposed, or recycled. No more trashing stuff after one use. That's the beauty of a circular economy. And guess what plays a starring role? You got it, battery recycling. By recovering those valuable materials and using them to make new batteries, we're closing the loop and keeping resources in play. It's like a never-ending battery cycle powered by innovation and a little bit of science magic. Now that's what I call a sustainable future. What can you do? Be battery aware. Okay everyone, time to put on your science hats and become battery recycling superheroes. It's easier than you think. Start by becoming aware of the batteries you use every day, from your smartphone to your remote control. Those little powerhouses are everywhere. When they're spent, don't just toss them in the trash. Find a battery recycling bin or drop-off location near you. Remember, every battery recycled is a victory for the planet. Let's show those batteries some love and give them the second life they deserve. Batteries. Recycle right, power the future. So there you have it, folks. Battery recycling. It's not just a good idea. It's essential for a sustainable future. By keeping those valuable materials out of landfills and in circulation, we can reduce pollution, conserve resources, and create a cleaner, greener world. Remember, every battery recycled is a step towards a brighter future. So let's all do our part, recycle those batteries, and power the future with clean energy. And hey, if you ever need a reminder, just think of those batteries doing a victory dance in their recycling bin. Now that's what I call electrifying.